visit our website. Under My Accounts, click Login. Enter your username and password. Click Sign In and you will enter in a dashboard section. Scroll down and click on your plan. Click on Start Learning button. Click on this button to maximize the screen. You will get all AI tools on the left. Click on Question Paper Solver AI. Select your board. Then select your class. After that, select your subject. Click on Choose File and select your question paper in PDF or TXT format. Wait for your question paper to be uploaded. After upload, you will see green mark like this. Click on Generate button and in some seconds, you will get answers from question paper. Thank you for watching.